Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our presentation titled Exploring Potentiality of Light Pipe Daylighting Deep Plan Office Buildings in Dhaka. I am Professor Ashik Juardar, Professor of Environment and Energy, Department of Architecture, BUET, Dhaka, and my colleague, Architect Shajib Paul, Assistant Professor, Department of Architecture, CHUET, Chattogram, Bangladesh, will present our paper now.
Thanks, Professor Jordar. Honorable audience, this is Shajib Pal from Bangladesh. First of all, we would like to share the basic outline of our presentation. There are 5 headlines of our paper, which are Introduction, Methodology, Experimental Study, Simulation Study, and Conclusion. We will discuss our paper sequentially under these headlines. So let's start with introduction. As Dhaka is the capital of developing country like Bangladesh, a large number of office spaces and buildings need to accommodate huge commercial and economic activities. Many of the existing high-rise office buildings have constructed so closely that the gap between two buildings is not enough to allow daylight from side windows. Little daylight may enter at the peripheral portion of the buildings. Middle portion of the floor areas often deprived of daylighting. The occupants have to rely on artificial lighting that increases energy consumptions. Light pipes are innovative devices able to transport and distribute daylight in dark rooms. The installation of tubular light pipe system could be a brilliant solution which may ensure the quality working environment, energy savings, reduction of costs, and effective space management. The objective of the research is to evaluate the potentiality of light pipe to initiate standard illumination levels at deep office spaces in the context of Dhaka. Now I would like to explain the research methodology. Possibilities of installing light pipe were explored in 2 ways. Firstly, experimental study. It was done with 3 models and observed the daylight inclusion pattern. And secondly, parametric computer simulation studies by EnergyPlus and OpenStudio softwares. An office was selected for simulation by field survey. Several parametric simulations were done by changing different parameters on the same space. Results were compared and observed the findings. Let us explain the experimental study. As we discussed previously, the experimental studies were done with 3 models. Firstly, a single-story building model with window was made with thick white paper. The model was placed outside in sunlight and observed the daylight inclusion pattern by modifying the model's wall and roof. Secondly, model of a multi-storied building with straight light pipes was made. 2 light pipes were built with reflective paper and observed the inclusion of light by using artificial light. Thirdly, model of multi-storied building with bending light pipe was made and observed the inclusion of light by artificial light. Here are some observations from the experimental study. Now the simulation study. First task was case office space selection by field survey which should represent the trend of typical office in Dhaka. 10 offices were surveyed from different locations of Dhaka. According to such criteria, the 9-storied option building was selected for simulation study. Here is the site and surroundings of the selected building. The 5th floor of the building is chosen as the case space for a detailed experiment. This floor is one of the typical levels of the building. Simulation model was created only with the open area of case office, where direct sunlight cannot reach. In the simulation model, there was an illuminance plane with 100 illuminance point to measure daylight at the work plane height. Daylight was measured at 2 reference points. Total 24 numbers simulations were conducted with varying different parameters like diameter, length, and numbers of light pipes. Figure shows the light levels at the 100 points of the illuminance plane at 12 pm for the light pipe of 0.25 meter diameter. Also, we can see the highest and lowest amount of light, their location, the standard deviation, and uniformity ratio of light. All simulations done with following same methods. Then findings from the different simulation results were compared by varying different parameters. Here are some observations from the simulation study. The illuminance is higher under the light pipes. The maximum daylight enters at 12 pm through a single straight light pipe. Maximum light found with the light pipe of 0.5 meter diameter and 3.5 meter length. Uniformity ratio met the standard for simulation with 3 light pipes for selected area. At the end of our presentation, I'd like to say it is needed to use of daylight in deep spaces of office buildings, and the efficient design of light pipes can reduce the energy consumption of the buildings. The combination of artificial lights and light pipes can ensure a standard lighting environment at the deep spaces of office buildings. It is expected that the design strategies and recommendations from this research will improve the luminous environment of deep office spaces in Dhaka. Thank you. For any question or feedback, please contact through email.